so we made it to Kearney. I'm excited, Kyle's excited because he gets to smash his car all the way through 4th gear and see what she can do.
Quarter mile time.
What do you think it's gonna do, like mile an hour wise?
Well, see, here's the problem. If you look at the dash right here, 98 degrees is what we're looking at right now. So, not expecting anything amazing, but we're gonna get some good data in 4th gear so we can get all tuned up, and maybe once the sun goes down we'll get a good number, but it'll be like mid-9s, I'm guessing. Eventually I want to run an 8, but that's not gonna happen today.
Not in this heat. Alright, so they let me draw the numbers on this thing. Veronica did a pretty good job there. Right about here the marker decided to die on me, so it kind of looks crummy, but whatever. Alright, so what do we need to do to get ready?
Need to change the limiter.
First and foremost.
First and foremost, yeah, see, we just pull the tires off is what the limiter is at right now. Check tire pressure, put my computer in to log it, and then go do a good first hit and get some good data.
Hell yeah.
It's so hot in here, holy shit. It bogged, which is exactly the exact opposite of what I was thinking it would do with how hot it is out here, and it hooked up the whole way. Traction control may have kicked in a little bit, I don't know, but I know the ET is not going to be good. The 60 foot's going to be like a 1.9 or something, but I'm interested to see what that mile an hour was. I wasn't even paying attention to the speed of it. I don't even know what it was. All right, first quarter mile pass. Let's see what it is. Woo! Thank you. All right. Woo! My first 10-second quarter mile pass. Woohoo!
Hell yeah! Let me get in there.
All right.
Not bad for your first pass here. Not at all.
I've never run a 10 at a drag strip. It's pretty slow for this car, but
yay! Congrats. Well done. Let's go talk to Chad and see what the numbers say.
yeah, he's looking at the computer. He's probably gonna turn it up in all of the spots.
All of the spots.
All of it can get turned up.
It's got a weird rubbing sound in the back.
My concern has always been the tires rubbing with the growing at the mile an hour.
Like, yeah.
Is it rubbing even right now?
Yeah, right now. It's like shoot.
Maybe I'll drive back with you.
All right, yeah. Well, I figured out what the noise was.
Just need somebody to run the hardware store and get a bolt.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? I have the old brakes in the back of my truck. I wonder if the bolt's the same. The ones I picked up from your shop.
Yeah.
That would be way too.
Oh no, I bet they're the same.
That'd be sick. I almost threw them in the garage today. Is it different?
I'm just gonna go grab my bag. But that'll work.
Sweet! The hell are the chances of that?
Right.
insane.
9. You're in a 984, I think.
All right, so I am pretty damn confident that was a 9. I'm gonna say 9.7, maybe 9.8. I had to pedal it in first gear, but I actually pedaled it this time instead of short shifting it like I usually do. So I'm pretty proud of myself for that. This is the best track conditions I've been on with the car so far, so hopefully this is a nice solid pass. Might be able to sneak one more in tonight, but I'm excited to see. All right, so 984, 150.33. So I officially need the parachute that's on the car. So I guess that's a good thing. 161 60 foot, not great, not terrible. 652.8, I've had way better. And that's probably because I had to pedal it in first. So any C5 Corvette owners out there can feel my pain right now. Last time this happened in my first Corvette, it was a few $100s to fix. But if anybody's got any tips on how to get rid of that stupid freaking wink, let me know. I already tried winding it down and still acting like a dumb bass. Well, I would say that was a successful night at the drag strip. Not running any Leroy 830, 840, whatever times, but first successful quarter-mile trip in the books. Ran my first 10 on the drag strip ever, first 9, and we're gonna keep getting down there. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure to subscribe down below, and thank all our sponsors in the links below for helping out with the Unicorn Project. See you guys in the next one.
What's up, guys? Thanks for watching that video. If you have not checked out our merch store recently, there's over 100 items on there with a bunch of new releases. We'll have a link in the description below, so make sure you guys go check that out. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there and check out these couple videos over here. Also, go ahead and check out our new channel, 1320 Video Uncut. We're gonna have a whole bunch of unseen content on that channel right there, so make sure you stay tuned and check that out. We'll see you guys in the next video.